Today we're taking a look at the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. This one's a one owner. It is a 4MATIC as well, so it's an all-wheel drive car. But yeah, one owner, 20 or 32,000 miles on it. Black with a nice tan, almost white leather interior. You got heated seats, obviously backup camera, big sunroof in this car. Only 32,000 miles on it. This one's going live on the website today at BRIANSAutocenter.com. Really clean interior in this one. Check it out on the website, like I said, BRIANSAutocenter.com. Going live today.